So for the longest of time you've been stuck between uZulu no Duncan. And awukazi ufihle futhi ukuthi uhamba nobani both abangani bakho bo2. So I saw on social media ngazuthi hayi ngathi inkunzi sezehlile uyabo ziyashiya inkunzi ukuthi ayinankinga nokuthi zisipane zo2 engomeni yakho. Shoot when umuntu usengaba ipeacemaker so sengifisa ukwazi mina ukuthi can we expect something from the album?
I think more than anything mfethu isituation enje ya kumele be isolveke ngokweqiniso yabo. So omunye umuntu uzothi wathula wena zakho elami lithi akuvume nezinhliziyo bengenzela umphakathi bengenzela ukuthi kube khona ingoma ezokhishwa bengenzela mina yabo nomunye efuna kathi hayi mfethu sekufika isikhathi hayi singadlula lento which is the phase esikuyona manje you know hence ubona even on social media kungasancufani kakhulu you know because I actually intervened nami ukuthi kuseba futhi ngiyacabanga ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi sayo yabo nabona ngithule manje I really feel like sekuyi phase ukuthi hayi bafowethu ayidlule phela ayikho into engadluli yabo understanding ukuthi lento involve nama families nani but ukuze yonke into isolveke kahle ayisuke kunina ngokweqiniso angexpect ukuthi abafowethu babe zimpintshi yabo baswane benzeni that's why ngeke ngithi asilungise lento khona kuzofezekela lami iphupho lokuthi ngibe nengoma ngidayisa igolide yabo akulunge nje into zeni bafowethu okwe album zobuye sikubone nana amagazini mayizevuma yabo so ukuthi bazoba khona kwi album definitely bazoba khona but in one song kuyoba nzima komele kuvume bona imoya yabo.